Tyrannosaurus, Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus too, but you're not gonna find these creatures in the zoo.
Hello everybody. I have a towel on my head because I realized halfway through making my dinosaur eggs that I had wanted to make a YouTube video about it to show you how to do it. So this is me, and we're gonna just be where we are at today. All right, we are about to make a dinosaur egg. And of course, I halfway made it before I even started to film it. But this is a great recipe. I think it's from a book called Kids Concoctions. I saw another YouTuber make it. That's how I got the idea. But here it is for you guys so you can make them at home. All you need, this will make about 8 or 9 eggs. You can half this recipe if you want maybe 4 eggs, 3 or 4 eggs. 2 cups of flour. Put it in your bowl. So just pretend I put 2 cups of flour. Oh, here's the flour. Oh, great. There, 1, 2 cups of flour. Then you need 1 cup of salt. Oh, here's 1 cup of salt. Nice. Then you need 2 cups of coffee grounds. It takes a while to get to 2 cups, so save up for a couple days or ask your neighbors or ask every single person in your neighborhood, which is what I did, so I could make 65 dinosaur eggs. So 2 cups of those coffee grounds, and then I'm gonna look at the recipe. 1 cup of salt in there, and mix that all around, and then you're gonna add your water. And the recipe calls for, oh, don't forget the sand. You gotta go down to the beach, get some sand, then come back up. You're gonna need half a cup of sand. I didn't sound too sure there. Yeah, half a cup of sand. I feel like I put a cup in, but that's okay. It doesn't, I don't know, these are, you know, do your best. It always seems to work out. Then it says 1.5 cups of water, but my coffee grounds were really wet and the sand was a little bit wet. So this is with about 1 cup of water. And so you mix it all around till it forms this nice dough that looks kind of like this. It sort of feels like Play-Doh. And then I also went around the neighborhood and got everybody who had little dinosaurs and made them give them to me. Still didn't have enough, had to order some. But if you have a little dinosaur kicking around, or you could put a little gemstone or a little, any kind of little surprise, and these can be called treasure rocks, but today we are calling them dinosaur eggs. So you just take some of your egg dough, and I just made a little patty like this. I chose my dinosaur, put it in like that. Then I got a little bit more of the mixture, plumped it on top. This one's a little smaller, add a little bit more, and then just very quickly roll it into an egg shape. And then, there we go. We're gonna put it on a tray like this, and you can line them all up. Pop it in the oven at your lowest oven temperature. Mine was 175. I left it in there for an hour or so, and then I put them out in the sun, and it takes about 4 days for these guys to totally dry out. It's okay if they don't totally dry out either, it's still fun. I'll show you. Okay, hold on. Okay, here is one that is all dried out, and it looks like that. And I will be posting a video of me cracking one of these babies open. Anyway, the theme this week is musical walks with Katie Brock. We're going on a dinosaur hunt. Maybe I'll have blow-dried my hair by the time we go on the walk. I hope that you guys had fun, because by the time you see this video, we'll be done. And thank you for watching my very professional tutorial on how to make dinosaur eggs. We're going on an egg hunt, but we're not afraid. We got our imaginary dog, and we're very, very brave. We can do it.